Would affiliate marketing be one of the ways I'll make money online if I lost everything? I lost my business, I lost my audience. Let's talk about it because I made my first sale in affiliate marketing years ago. Not millions, because I'm not going to tell you, oh, I made $10,000. No. I did not. But just enough to teach me one lesson that completely changed how I think about affiliate marketing. Now, I'm making this video because even after 2 years, it's one of the topics that brings people back to my channel because of this previous video I made about affiliate marketing. I still get messages from people asking me, Fon, how can I get started? Or is affiliate marketing still worth it? Now, if you're expecting this video to be one of those videos that will tell you, oh, you're going to make millions in 7 days, you're going to be financially free overnight without putting the effort, this is not that video. And if you are still watching with that mindset, this video is not for you. Because in this video, I'm going to have an honest conversation with you about what affiliate marketing is, if it's still worth your time, and who it's for. As I genuinely believe that before you spend your time learning another way to make money online, you deserve to know if this is actually for you. Hi neighbor, if you're just seeing my face, my name is Mfon Akpan. On this channel, I create content that will help you build your life and your career with intention. Kindly click the subscribe button and join the neighborhood. Also like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Thank you so much. So let's get into it. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model or a way to earn money online by simply promoting other people's product. When you promote their product, whether it's a service, whether it's a physical product, irrespective of the kind of product you're promoting, as long as you promote that product and somebody clicks on your unique link and buy that product, you get a commission from it. Think about the last time you recommended a restaurant, you recommended a vendor, you recommended a skincare product, you recommended a phone for someone or a friend. Now, if that phone had an affiliate program, you get paid by just recommending that product or that phone to your friend, and your friend makes a purchase, you get paid your own piece of the pie. Because on the norm, you recommend things to your friends and families every day, they buy, but you don't get paid. But this is different. When they buy, you get paid. I hope this is simple enough. Affiliate marketing is simply getting rewarded when someone buys a product or a service because of your recommendation. So what are the benefits of affiliate marketing and why has it become so popular? Number one, low cost to start. You don't need hundreds of thousands to start affiliate marketing. Number two, no inventory. You don't need to package anything and ship it to another person in another country or in another state. You don't have to create your own product. You don't have to invest the time and money creating your own product. Another person has done the work for you. All you need to do is to talk about it. People pay and then you get paid. No customer support. You're not answering questions every day about your product. And it can be done with your 9 to 5. Let's say you have a 9 to 5 and you're looking for a side hustle. Now, I'm trying to not use this phrase of saying affiliate marketing is one of the easiest way, because it is. But when people hear is one of the easiest way, they think, oh, okay, I don't have to do anything. No, you have to do something. So you can do affiliate marketing with your 9 to 5. And most importantly, you can do affiliate marketing from anywhere in the world, irrespective of where you are, whether you are in first world country, the third world country. Sounds amazing, right? So why are some people saying, oh, affiliate marketing doesn't work? Or why do a lot of people suck at affiliate marketing? I'm going to tell you why. A lot of people suck at affiliate marketing because they think that affiliate marketing is all about sharing links. It's all about, oh, you sign up on one platform and then you copy the link and then you start sharing and money will start flowing. Or once you sign up on the affiliate program, money will start flowing by that simple action of signing up. It isn't. Affiliate marketing is about solving problems. So it's not about sharing links. Another reason is that people promote products that they've never used or they don't believe in. There is no way, if you've never used that product, there is no way you can recommend it confidently, or you even know what to say to the other person and make them buy. Or if you don't believe in that product, because you don't necessarily have to use it. If you don't believe in that product, there is no way you will confidently promote it. Another reason why you suck or why people suck in affiliate marketing is because you are chasing high commission. High commissions are good, but you are building without trust. And most importantly, you are expecting money to start flowing immediately as you just sign up. You want the money to start flowing. When you don't start seeing the results, you're like, so which one is this person was saying about they must be earning this money another way, or there must be somebody's daddy giving them? No, it's because they are putting in the work. They don't have that mindset of once I sign up, money will start flowing in. Not only that, you are building without trust. People don't buy because you have a link to the product or service that they are looking for. They buy because they trust your recommendation. So you cannot just sign up on a platform, copy link, and then start throwing it around telling people to buy. When I started affiliate marketing a few years ago, I was just looking for another stream of income, and I made my first sale, though the amount was not life-changing, but it completely changed how I think about making money online with affiliate marketing. I learned that affiliate marketing is not about selling. I learned that affiliate marketing is not all about, oh, Fun wants to add another stream of income to her income source. No, it's not even about you. It's about the other person. It's about service. For me, it was about helping someone make a better decision. And that's the mindset I want you to have. So don't just come into my DM without understanding this. Don't buy another affiliate marketing course without understanding this, without having this mindset shift. So if I lost everything today, would affiliate marketing be one of the ways I would make money online? Yes, not because it's one of the easiest way to make money online, but because I understand what affiliate marketing is about and how to actually make it work. If you're still watching till this point, I need you to do something for me, okay? In the comment section, I need you to tell me, have you tried affiliate marketing before, or this is the first time you're hearing about affiliate marketing? Also, let me know where you're watching this video from, okay? I reply all my comments. So affiliate marketing is great for you if you enjoy teaching. Affiliate marketing is also for you if you like recommending tools and resources to friends, family, basically people, because it's not about getting the link and then sharing everywhere. No, you have to actively recommend this product, and it should be a product or a service you have used or you believe in. Affiliate marketing is also for you if you need an extra income stream. Let's say you have a 9 to 5 and you want to start a side hustle on the side. Affiliate marketing is for you. Affiliate marketing is also for you if you're already creating content or you are willing to start. Why am I saying this? I've had people ask me, oh, do I need to create content to promote the product? Yeah, you have to create content to promote the product. But when it comes to content, there are different ways to create content. You can create content by writing. You can create content by creating videos like this. When I say videos like this, I mean YouTube. You can create content like this on Instagram, TikTok. So affiliate marketing is for you if you're already creating content or you have the willingness to start. Affiliate marketing is also for you if you don't want to create your own product. You don't want to invest time. You don't want to invest money to create your own product. You can basically promote other people's product and get paid from it. Now, if you fall into any of this category or all of it, this is something I want you to take action right now. I want you to use the link in the description and in the pinned comment to join the Affiliate Launchpad community. Now, before you rush to click the link, I need you to understand that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So if this is your mindset, please don't join the group, okay? But if you know you really want to build this as a side hustle or as your main business, the link to join the community is in the description and in the pinned comment. In my next video, I'll show you how to choose affiliate products that people will actually buy. While you wait for that video, use the link in the description and the pinned comment to join the Affiliate Launchpad community. I'll see you in this video next.